Parcă da. Bă, lasă-vă pe mâine. Mai dau unul repede. Mai dau unul repede. We need to go on more fast. Maxim o oră mai are. Nu e așa de rău. Chiar nu e așa de rău. We gotta go on more. For the plot. Joacă-le pe toate, hai că da. Oricum nu ai treabă. Ce e asta? Asta e dânsa.
Please, let me do the dishes. That's the least I can do. I'm crashing here. Crashers clean dishes.
Your family. Besides, if they're not clean the right way, David becomes a big baby about it all.
Clean a big bay.
I'm a pro at this point.
No. I insist.
Grab this sponge and you're gonna be eating it too. It's not a big deal. I've got it.
Nah, I know you don't mind, but I won't be here for too long. Just, you know, gotta get back on my feet a little.
You're right.
Dar ce
I
facem
don't
dacă
mind.
get back on my feet?
Is that it?
Maybe a little bit. No, actually, forget I said that. That wasn't for me to... Just forget it. Sorry.
Forget you said what?
Thanks. So where do you think you'll go?
Don't know. With what happened, I'd be amazed if I could get a job assistant coaching T-ball.
You'll land on your feet.
Well, here's hoping. I could use a fresh start. I'll probably just travel around, you know, see what's out
Sau
there.
băieții aia a fost easy? Care băieți? Aia de la Face It.
Well,
You're married.
Well, what about David?
what about David?
Kate,
I know. I'm just messing around. It's just hard to say no to a fresh start. Always wanted to go to Norway. See the northern lights.
Why, she's
You'll
for
be
the
jet
streets,
setting
what?
in. I'll
She's
still
literally
just
for the streets.
be here.
Nu înțeleg. What am I missing?
Oh, god damn it. Oh, shit.
Da, și tăia tu ai incapabilă, vere, a pus mâna pe ăsta.
Army glass. Oh, he's gonna be so...
Dar ce-ți dă stai mâncați așa? Team Aka, Zivu, Monesi, Nico, Dong și Yekindar. What the fuck? Betty Boy, Marcar, Zenga, Cobra și Ucigașul. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Tăia pulele bunătoase de la Face It. Pentru o secundă ai crezut că chiar să ia?
Pissy about it. I can hear him already. Oh, it's so annoying.
just blame me. Well, he'll buy it. I'm the idiot fuck up, right?
That's true.
Exactly. There you go. See? Much better.
Mă, bere, eu mă dau la nevasta lui frate meu. What the fuck is this, mă? What? Și ea se dă înapoi la mine. What is this, vere? Hold on, pull away. Nah, man, what the fuck is this, guy?
You're gonna be okay.
She's for the fucking streets. She is for the fucking streets, bro.
My CO gave me that. And unless you want to dig up his fucking corpse, he's not gonna give me another one.
Why don't we get an actual dishwasher?
Here we go again.
Then you won't be on my ass anytime there's a spot on a fork.
Excuse me?
If we could even afford a dishwasher.
You're both overreacting, okay? It's not that big a crisis.
Stay
It
out of this,
actually is.
Javi.
Și
We
nici
don't see
treaba
your
mea.
ass for a year. A year. Then when your life goes to shit, we're expected to drop everything and roll out the red carpet. All for Prince Javi. And now you're gonna start telling me how to talk to my wife?
This isn't about him.
Bă, real.
He's
Cam
the
real
one
cu aia.
standing right there judging me for something he doesn't understand. You
Real.
don't know him like I do. Always judging everyone, except himself.
You know what? You're right. It's none of my business.
No, it's not.
It's literally none of my
I'm
business,
sorry
guys.
about
Pula
the
mea.
glass. Really.
It's fine. It was an accident.
Don't worry, I can handle him. He's just in a mood.
Yeah,
Trust me,
a zis el
it
că it
won't
was an
last.
accident. Like, literally, it was not that deep, coaie. Legit e baiting me, coaie. Femeia asta vrea să mă baituiască ca să-mi pună mâna pe carici. What the fuck is this, man? Păi, asta e femeia străzii, vere, femeia străzii, e femeia străzii. Femeia străzii, dar cum a ajuns în casă femeia străzii? That's the question. Măi, pulă! I-a bătut clem pe toți cu aia, dă-te dracu.
Take it easy.
Salut, bro, am omorât pe toți, sper că nu te deranjează.
They got away.
Oh, God. Mariana.
Lucky, bro. Stați cu acaurile. Pe care nu o să le luăm, o să le lăsăm pe jos.
I already dug a grave for her.
Damn. She was quick.
Thank you.
Când ai făcut treaba asta? Cât am fost out? O oră, 2, 3? Fiindcă era un zombie cumva acolo. Și dagă grey for it și tu did everything. Mi-o face și pomană. O chema și popa. Are și lopată. Băi, Clem e the main character chiar și în momentul în care nu e main character. Like, what the fuck? I'm so sorry.
This was my fault, Mariana. God damn it. I'm so sorry. honey.
Nici nu dacă puteam să-l vezi. Maybe puteam să-l vezi dacă venea mai devreme. Posibil să fi murit altcineva.
Javi, thank you for staying. I think you probably saved my life.
Păi și de ce n-ar fi venit, gen?
What does it matter now? They got away. It was pointless.
You bought your people time, though. That counts for something.
Am venit, am văzut alegeri, am picat înapoi la lărg. Hai, cancer încă o dată. Ce alegere am făcut? Puteam să-l vezi?
Hey, hang on a sec. She carried this around for years.
Bă, e legit Anarchy, man. Ar fi murit oricum. E scriptat. Asta e povestea, e scriptat. Bă, dar când dracului a săpat clemata groapa, mă, bere?
I'm sorry I never found you those candy bars. You deserved just so much more life.
So much more alive. But like it's so over, she's so dead.
You should have been the one burying me. Someday. Someday far away.
You're still thinking about it. First of all, unde dracului e
You
guvernul?
did
Unde e
everything
armata?
you possibly.
Unde e Interpolul? Ce dracului mai vine? Da, bro. Zombiul secret. Sub roțile de tractor. Ăsta e băietul ăla. Salut, bro. Nu trage, what the fuck. Why would I shoot, vere, când pot să nu trag? I guess that's the only option. Lol. Păi nu cred că aveam opțiune să nu trag, că nu puteam să am încercat să dau click dreapta,
The
nu
other
puteam să
guys
dau
had
back.
this too.
Oh, shit.
Stai pe 20 de secunde, too
Oh,
late.
what's wrong? Clem?
I've run into these guys before.
Who are they?
Still, where the fuck is AJ?
Please?
They call themselves the New Frontier. They used to be decent people. Now they're something else. This brand they have. It's like an initiation thing. I was kinda stuck in their camp for a while. Not by choice. It was bad. I'm lucky to be alive.
Auzi it bad?
Bad how?
I got out. That's all that matters. They left one of their cars behind. That's something at least.
Good. Just like you always wanted.
I can take you back to Prescott, make sure your family's okay. But then I'm hitting the road.
Ok. Stay with us.
You should stay with us.
Let's just get back to Prescott.
Miraculos se întoarcă, o să plec și o să întoarcă ca și Jane. I think so. Conduce copilul, dar nu ajunge la parbriz, mâncați aici. Mamă, ce-a pornit în tombă. Mamă, ce mere. Păi n-are 16, n-are vreo 13 aici. Deși nu prea arată de 13, aici arată mai degrabă a 16, dar cronologic vorbind nu prea să pupă. E foarte sexy când zic, hai să dau și eu ceva meciuri și primul model lobby high rank și chiar dacă de carry UV suferă la 1v9 retardul maximum și în loc să pare el ia ghost și normal că suge pula și pierde masă.
How's Kate? Is she...
Just came out of surgery. Eleanor's still with her. You'd best get over to the infirmary.
Bravo, Zamori. Sper că te-ai simțit bine alături de băiatul ăla. 13-14 ani zice până. Dar n-arata 14, n-arata 16 mai degrabă.
She asked for you. You know.
How bad is it?
Please just tell me how she's doing.
Well, she came through the surgery as well as could be expected. Those bastards did her one favor at least. Any lower, and that bullet would have torn her stomach lining as well.
I mean, the Asian chick is way hotter, like...
Your boy Gabe. He seems really fierce. He wanted to help so badly. He practically forced me to let him stay.
That's Gabe.
But she was bleeding so much, he... got overwhelmed.
Aleșinat. O omorât.
So when's she gonna be up on her feet again?
She's stable. For now. But she's still bleeding inside. I don't want to lie to you. It's probably just a matter of time. I wish I could do more.
Thanks for trying. And for not sugarcoating it.
Wish I had something better to tell you. But I'm
Not
sorry,
lucky, bro.
Javi.
Ala e proastă rău, gen.
I'm going to get
Legit
cleaned
deserve
up.
that.
You
Pa,
may
am
want to
pușcat-o
find
straight
Gabe.
up în cap și a fugit
You look
în
pretty
mijlocul
upset when you
câmpului
left.
să tragă.
This isn't gonna make
Holy
me
shit!
feel any better.
Holy shit, she's packing
Still.
some heat. She is
track him
packing
down.
some heat right there, n-am să mint. N-am să mint, she is packing some heat. Toc, nu vreau să toc. Lucat, n-am ce să lucat. Pot să toc, alo? Bă, bre, dar e so weird, că trebuie să fii super aproape ca să dai
Not
click,
great.
ama nu merge să dai click să meargă de la
As
distanță.
well as can be
Nu
expected.
știu ce ori schimba
Yeah,
sistemul ăsta.
considering.
You should have come back with us. Your family, they needed you.
De unde
What you
vedem?
did, I'm grateful.
I still think they would have preferred to have you there instead of me.
Probabil.
It's a hell of a situation. Just know I'm praying for you. All of you. And whatever happens, you all are welcome to stick around in Prescott. If
Na,
that's what you want. Nobody's gonna force you, but we'd be glad to have you all here.
Not gonna make a decision like that without talking to Kate, so I'd rather check in with her when she's feeling better, you know?
Sure thing. Let the lady weigh in first.
bă, e actually crazy că băiatul ăsta gen a vrut să ne dea afară și dintr-o dată nu mai are niciun fel de problemă să le treabă cu asta. Pot să fur ceva de aici. Ce o să fur eu de aici? Ce mă lasă să fur de aici? Vreau ca să fur. Apă? Ce e asta? E de gratis? A, nu e de gratis, e de gratis, cred. S-o tras pe dreapta. Bă, ești mexican, român? Ce scrie aici? Free sample. Take free sample. A, e țuica asta, ce dracu e free sample. Dar nu e free sample la apă. Pot să mă uit pe aici, cu nu pot să vorbesc. Pereții ăștia sunt cam bazați.
Doesn't look super sturdy.
Dar pare totuși că ține. Nu știu cum nu i-a făcut să stea pe vertical așa. Fără nimica. Ce zici cu mătru?
Hey, have you seen a kid come through here?
Blood all over his hands, dark look on his face. Headed off
Deja
that
și
way
treculul ăsta.
without saying a word. If I were you, I'd give him some space. Just my advice. One parent to another.
Wish I could, but I don't think I can.
Cum a lui gat, bro.
But he sure didn't seem like he was in the mood to talk. That blood, I take it that wasn't his?
No.
His stepmom's.
You gotta stay strong for her. Do whatever it takes. Know if my friends seen you in the same situation, I'd fight like hell. Anything we can do to help you out, just let me know.
I appreciate that.
Sănătate, bro.
Boy stomped off towards the front gate.
Exit, nu vreau să exit. Actually, cred că trebuie să dau exit, nu cred că mai pot să văd altceva. Sănătate, ne da mulți spor. Văd ce mai pot să fac în direcția asta. Absolut nimic. Pe motiv sau altul rămâne să fug. Cum ori pus ditai semnul că asta pare cumva că e... Sau nici pe care semn că e vopsit în pământ. Just like that am deschis ușa. Holy shit. Mama, ce dă cu ei?
Gabe?
E nebun.
Gabe, come
Tu
on.
ești Gabe. Monstru genetic.
I want to go back and bury Mariana.
We
She's
buried
buried.
her. It was peaceful.
How could it have been peaceful?
Mr. Tu.
I know how much you miss her, Gabe. I miss her too.
And Kate,
It's my fault.
she needed me during her surgery. She needed my help. I just ran away like a stupid little kid.
If I'd been there, I probably would have run too. Especially after watching what Mariana went through. I don't
Mă mir
blame
că
you
nu da
for
vina
not
pe
being able
mine.
to handle it.
I shouldn't have run. No matter how hard it was being there.
Cum bă, se primul om
I'm
care,
done feeling this
care nu dă
way.
vina pe mine după ce moare cineva, e actually crazy.
Powerless. I
Păi
can't
nu
be
mai
some
don't
helpless
be
little
such a
boy
bitch.
anymore.
Stop
I
being
need to
such a
be a
bitch
man,
then.
just like my dad was.
Ok, then
He
be a
knew how
man.
men were supposed to act.
You're already a man, Gabe.
I'm not. But at least I know it now. Next time, I'm not gonna sit back and watch. I'm gonna do something. I have to.
Da.
Listen, Gabe.
S-a întors Clem. Asta e Clem.
Shit.
Get inside, now!
Ok, nu e Clem. S-au întors la Horicoai, chiar s-au întors. Da, o să vină și Clem aici. Holy shit, e sezonul 2, episodul final, once again. E exact la
You can count
fel.
on me.
O să vină fix la final când o să conteze. Și îmi dărâmă pereții, așa-i? Eu să-mi dărâme pereții. Mamă, mi-a dat un M4 straight up. Dar de ce e aici, Clem? Că n-a zis că hit the road.
Kick their ass out.
Mamă. Îmi dă direct rem prin ușă. Ia coaie că iau.
Knock, knock!
Holy shit.
Anyone home?
Păi da aici 3 glanțe și mor toți, că direct out in the fucking open. E atât de simplu.
These are those freaks that brand
Camionul
themselves.
troian. Camionul cu drogați, frate. The
I wish we
Fentrac.
hadn't had to come all the way out here, but unfortunately, Badger here says you attacked his man. He says you fired on him. Took out a lot of our people.
Bullshit! If anything, they attacked us.
Oh, please! We were just defending ourselves.
You know
What
what you
did-
did!
How many of my friends died because of you, huh?
Sounds like a bunch of he said, she said shit to me.
What the fuck do you want? An apology? What I really want is for my dead buddies to be alive again.
But I don't think that's too likely, is it? He needs to
Mind
come
chill,
with
bro.
us. Answer to justice. Accept his punishment.
Damn.
Men
Oh, fuck, sir.
gotta have laws, otherwise we're no better than the animals.
Let's just talk this through.
It ain't so simple. Fact of the matter is, you stole from us. You killed some of us.
Mă dau
Give it
afară.
up now and get down here. I think they need a little incentive.
Ia. Damn.
You heard her?
Ah, un deget, e lejer, coaie. Doar un
Tell me
deget.
you had a hostage.
It's gonna be okay, baby. I love you, baby.
All right, baby. Just give them what they want.
There's no reason this has to get ugly. But we ain't leaving without what we came for.
She's innocent in this. You don't have to drag her into our fight.
I don't have to, but I kinda want to.
Damn. Damn.
Get your ass down here, or I cut off the rest of them. What the hell are you doing?
Javi, please, man. Just go with him. You got to. He'll kill Francine.
Nobody's giving in to them.
We should start shooting.
No fucking way. He'll kill
Coming down.
Francine.
He might kill her anyway.
We can work this out. Ăla
We
de
gotta
begerii
risk
de
it.
partea mea.
Look, I'm sure we can work this out without anyone else getting hurt.
Not interested in you trying to fucking
Shut
stall.
the fuck up, begere cu noi, begere cu noi,
I'm gonna
begere cu
count
noi.
from 5. You know what happens at 0. 5,
We're gonna stand our ground.
4, 3,
Ia fi atent.
2, 1. Time's up!
No way că nu s-a băgat Badger! No fucking way că nu s-a băgat Badger! Fucking retard! Hai, dar Badger ăla nu e liderul! GG Francina. GG Francina. Ah, chiar oricum murea chat. N-avea cum să salvăm, așa era scriptat jocul, n-avea cum să salvăm. N-avea cum să salvăm, așa era scriptat jocul, bro. Dar pula asta de ce deschide poarta? Băi, pulă! Băi, pulă! Ai de pula mea. Cred că mai bine l-am să arunce că s-a deschis în pulă ușile.
What the fuck? We don't have the go-ahead! Go, fuck you! Fuck the go-ahead! Ram the fucking gate!
Ia uite-l pe ăsta cu aia bordul drogat. 2-0 afară. Mamă.
Jesus Christ!
Mamă. Mamă, mamă, mamă. What the fuck? What the fuck? Holy shit, cu ce răi de dau ăștia pe aia, ești prost? Du-te dracu! Du-te dracu! Cucubau!
Fucking tear gas!
I have to find Kate Gabe.
Merge, e ăsta Chirina micu, am crezut că Better era ăla coaie care era liderul.
Hold these assholes off!
Mamă. Fac așa, mă, să mănâncă zombie în 3. GG. Claim anytime now, claim anytime now. Bă, da, ești prost. Eu să rege revere. Efectiv, not even, didn't even shake. Did not even shake, mă bere. Habi. Te salut, bărul. Să nu facă, să nu fie prea deștept băiatul ăsta acum, că dacă s-a apucat să fie prea deștept, s-ar putea să fie GG. Oho. Yo, mamă, dar se teleportează băieții mei, what the fuck? Bă, burtă! Bine, am tras în el, dar n-are nimica.
There's enough room for her.
There's enough room for her.
Javi!
Aia zic. Clem?
Head east. We'll
There is
catch
still
up.
no Clem. GG. Nu cred că puteam să dau defend la fortul ăsta. There is no way că puteam să dau defend la fortul ăsta. There is absolutely no way că puteam să dau defend la fort. Absolutely no fucking way. Așa era scriptat, bro. Clem aici! Clem aici! Clem, actually, da, e aici, coai, dar gen, să fac și ceva cum ar veni, să facă Clem things. I need Clem to do Clem things, bro. Anytime now, Ia uite calul! Hai de pula mea. Coai, dar băieții ăștia sunt legit toți low elovere, nu știe nimeni să tragă în jocul ăsta. Ne-au bătut vreo 3-4 zombie când noi avem arme automate, by the way. Stai that bind part 2. Dar vreau să fie fiecare dată cu echipări și într-un single player game? Reală. Reală. Nu se întâmplă. So I think there is an issue somewhere.
Are they following us?
Just the other car. Looks like we're okay.
Eleanor, thank God.
I can't believe it. All of our friends, all those people.
Damn.
Oh, Conrad.
Conrad e un pic supi acum că nu mai are muiere. Da. Unlucky. Francine deserve better.
We'll avenge her. I promise you that.
Oh, so it's we now?
Oh, so
If it wasn't
exact.
for you, she'd still be here. All you had to do was
Așa.
go down there and finish what you started. And now she's gone!
Conrad, easy, buddy. This wasn't his fault.
It kinda was. It
Francine,
kinda was my fault.
Prescott, all because this washed up cheat walked through our gates. I should have known it the second I looked at you. You ain't gonna stand up for nobody but your own.
We just lost someone too. So, say what you have to say.
What? That's supposed to make me feel better?
Calm down, Conrad. Please.
All I know is, if it wasn't
Al
for
treilea era
them,
slabelo. No!
Back the fuck off now.
No! Acum ești bărbat. Be mi-ai pula când ne asaltau ăia, n-ai fost bărbat.
take it easy, son.
Let's not help
Gabe,
me.
no, this isn't necessary.
What are you talking about? Yes, it is. I told you.
I get that you're trying to help, but
Nah.
this isn't how you do it.
Just do it already. I don't even care anymore.
Just put it down, Gabe.
He's unarmed.
Come on, kid.
You kill an unarmed man, you'll regret it for the rest of your life.
O să tragă cu aia, nu
You
trage.
hear me?
Fucking
Don't touch my
retard,
uncle
Gabe.
again.
Holy shit, dar trebuie să fie un duck în fiecare game, vere.
Gabe!
Let him go. He just needs to cool off.
It just has to exist a duck. Trebuie să existe duck cu aia. Fuck duck. All my homies say duck. Duck cu face. Ăsta e gen duck dacă ar fi crescut. Deci ne-a lăsat, ne-a luat aia cu asalt, nu a făcut nimic, dar acum ar fi tras în asta care n-avea nicio treabă cu nimeni.
We have to bury her.
I wish we could, but Prescott's
GG,
overrun.
bro.
We
GG,
can't
bro.
go back.
Well, we're not safe here either.
Deci
What
ar da
about
pistol?
Richmond? I've heard there's a community there.
Un
If
copil
it's true,
băitar de
they'll have
idiot.
food, walls, maybe even a hospital.
Băi, uite, vezi că aici e problema, bă, că gen, dacă, că și Clem e copil.
They took my
Adică nu e foarte simetric, if you get what I'm saying. Discrepanța e foarte mare.
The one thing we all need is a place to call home. Maybe Richmond can be that place.
Richmond.
Huh.
It's something at least.
Yeah. Fuck it. Let's go.
That's a
E
spirit,
trecut.
man.
E trecut. Da, auzi cu aia ce-mi scrie Lodul pe YouTube. Măi copile,
Huh. Maybe they'll hit it off.
măi copile.
You know, that was really impressive back there. What you
Ce stravă.
Hope so. Might be good for them both. They need someone their own age they can talk to. Come on, guys.
Îl combină Clem pe
Got a
asta.
long drive ahead of us.
Îl combină pe Gabe. Până la final de joc, lejer. Lejer, lejer. Nici nu se pune problema altfel. A crezut că e
What can I
cusută
do
la
for you
gură.
here?
I feel like I'm burning up. And I'm dying of thirst.
Cara? Cara? She's dying of thirst, but ain't no water gonna make her not thirsty.
Here you go.
Și sportă street cu aia femeia străzii, nici nu discut, nici nu discut. Să vină japoneza, frate.
Thirsty isn't good. How's her forehead feel?
Bă, asta nu a murit toată? No.
Hot.
Fuck. It's probably sepsis. Sooner we get to Richmond, the better.
Ce e sepsis ăsta? Dacă strepsil e de la de gât, atunci sepsis înseamnă?
It really hurts.
You'll make it.
Hey, you're gonna be fine, Kate.
I'm just trying to be realistic.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to be optimistic.
Septicemie. Nu știu ce e asta.
Javi, we both know what's coming.
We're dead.
Kate.
We do.
Bă, e lejeră.
And this is gonna sound fucked up, but maybe this
Na.
is my chance for Christ. I don't know. A graceful exit.
Da, e lejer.
Not
E
many
lejer
people
că oricum
get
întreabă.
I'd be one of the lucky ones.
You can't talk that way.
Da.
Hey, it's my deathbed.
Respect.
Just
Respect,
think
respect.
about all that's happened. Mariana died and
Trămpofelie
I
cu...
couldn't stop it. And Gabe, I heard what happened when we stopped.
When we
Isn't
stop?
it obvious?
What the fuck happened when we stopped?
Look, he might be turning into David. He might be turning into you. He's not that sweet little boy I first met.
Baby, it will stop.
But maybe this is better.
He just needs guidance. And a lot of it.
I hope so. All I
Hai
care
bro,
about
mori
is him
odată, că
becoming who he
am
needs to
treabă.
be. And it's gonna be on you to make sure that happens.
Da.
You know I'll be there for him.
I do know. But it's still nice to hear.
Hey, careful.
Sorry.
Bă, dar e insane cu aia care s-a zis că e 4 ani de zile și
Real
după aia gen
Really.
la prima ocazie a sărit în
With
fața
pleasure.
gloanțelor fără să gândească, bă. E actually crazy, man.
Parents just love pretending the rest of us can't hear.
Da.
I wouldn't know.
Ce mașină e asta, fere, de cu... Astea e inversat ce și sunt por bagaj. Ok, sunt por bagaj. Mi dam pe YouTube? Bă, nu. Dar n-ai mai scris nimica. Sau nu mai mi-apare. We gotta remove the bullet from her head. Dar asta cum a ajuns aici în perete și fugea către mașină, asta nu citirea.
What now?
Se dă bani,
I've got some
tu
bad
probabil.
news.
We don't have time for more bullshit.
Well, the bullshit found us anyway. Well, we got a
E
bunch of
amuzant că
cars clogging
l-au
the
luat
underpass.
Shadow Band
Too
pe un
many to
canal
drive
care e
through.
Shadow Band în
Gonna need to
sine.
move some of them out of the way.
Hey, I'm coming too.
I'll stay with Kate and keep a lookout.
Yell at us if anything happens.
Awfully convenient the pass is blocked like this.
Not convenient at all, if you ask me.
Yeah. Mamă! Holy shit, she remembers! Ia cariciu. Ok, n-a luat bani, n-a luat Shadow Band. Câfă?
We move
Mă
that
joc
car right there. We should be
umblătorii
good.
morți 3.
Come on. Let's get to work and clear it out.
Tu câfă. Ia, poți să împing asta direct? La mișto? Aha, bun. Mă joc League of Legends? Bă, șmecher. Bro, dar-mi dați să vorbească cu ăsta! Dar nu cred că m-am să încercați? Bă, crazy.
Conrad doesn't look too good over there.
Tell me about it.
He's a good man, Javi. Known him a long time. This is just a dark day for him.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on him for me, all right?
E băgat de New Kenny. Full control. Holy shit, bă, lasă-mă, dracu. Băi, nicio treabă. Nicio treabă n-a avut vărul. Dar fix niciuna, Jesus, man. El e regele, bro. Băi, o treabă n-a avut, nici s-o speria, nici n-o tresărit, nici nimic, man. Bro, dar de ce nu pot să folosesc? Da, e foarte prost eu, dar nu înțeleg. Terminatorul, dar e foarte pe caracterul meu. Dacă până acum mă țiam OP, gen acum ați legit regele, adică it's not even close.
Now I can pull out the cable.
Ce să mergem mine din sezonul 1. Când eram cu Lish, cu Kenny și am tras cu un de ăla de cum îi zice, la un, nu știu, era un de ăla de teren. Brare, nu știu asta, damage against humans plus 100% against walkers. Da, legile de moașă la tot. Tot humans less than 200. Ce vorbești, mă, băiatule, mă? Alo?
There's gotta be a way to power this thing. I'll look around.
Alo?
How's Kate doing?
She's holding on. We're almost there.
Let me
How
know
are
if
you
anything
doing,
changes.
though?
I will.
Ok. Dar de ce nu pot să pornesc asta? Ar trebui să pot să pornesc asta. Pretty sure că ar trebui să pot să pornesc asta. Aici nu pot trece lângă mizeria asta, probabil. Sper. Salut, bro, vorbesc și cu tine imediat. Salut, copile, vorbesc și cu tine imediat, să nu mai pui până pe pistol.
Those might come in handy.
Jumper cables, amazing. Ce zici, cumnate? Toate ok, alo? Dar nu pot să vorbesc cu ei! Băi, ești nebun.
You good?
Insane.
Nah, man. I'm not good.
No.
Let's just
I know.
get this shit over with and get to Richmond.
Păi 10 din 10 dialogul, n-am ce să zic. Bă. Foarte curios cum e sezonul 4, dacă așa e sezonul ăsta, vere. Că they're falling way shorter.
Pop the hood.
I mean, se simte că au căzut
You'd better not mess up my
multe
baby
nivele.
here.
Adică 3. Sezonul 4, scuze.
That'll do.
Adică 3, că ăsta e între parcă... Bă, ăsta teoretic nu se numește... Ăsta e
Here goes
3,
nothing.
dar dacă nu îi zice Chapter 3, îi zice, sau Season 3, îi zice New Frontier și la ultimul îi zice Final Chapter.
Hey!
Nu îi zice sezonul
There we
4.
go. I think we're set.
We good?
Be ready to move once the wreck is clear. We should be right behind you.
Will do.
Hai! Păi e că... Îmi da la vreo 5 din ăștia one shot. Pare super easy. Da, bro, acolo. Haide. Ah, shit. Fuck. Cucubau. 2. Hai. 3. Bun. Fuck. Până acum regele. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Soite, pula mea, deci am tras în 6. E regele băiatul ăsta, care era antrenor de baseball el.
We're right behind you.
Murai pe aia, eu vin pe jos, frate, că n-are treabă nimică. Nu lăsăm să moară pe ăsta, că eu omor pe toți, ești nebun la cap, nu mai am glanțe. Nu ne trebuie glanțe. O dăm parte în parte. O dăm parte în parte. Bei pula, fraiere. Mamă, nici nu conta că are bullet spray, cum ar veni. Asta ce-a făcut, mă? S-a întors înapoi? A, nu, aia te trage. Bun. De unde ori venit aia, fere? De unde ori venit aia? De unde ori venit atâția, fere? Că tu m-ați omorat pe ei, what the fuck? Cum o trecut mașina? Mersi, bro. Ai făcut tu ceva? Bravo, bro. Dar ăla de jos, de ce nu pot să trag? Insane. De ce am tragi pe mine? Clem! Ăștia-l-alții! Aiuda! În spate nu mai contează dacă mai e cineva. Holy shit. Bad ending, de ce? Mă transform în zombie, de ce-s verde, vere, că nu m-am mușcat. Nici că nici ai burn. Bă, ăștia arată mult mai plantă. Dar a zis că săranări. A zis atâta că, how do you, că trecam... Wait, we're fucked, we run.
We don't have a choice. We gotta fight our way out.
Not sure I like our odds.
Great! This is just fucking great! What the hell are we gonna do?
Calm down.
Calm down? I'm not gonna fucking calm down. Eleanor's out there alone right now.
We wouldn't even be in this mess.
Bro, Eleanor e gagica mea, nu știu cum să zic.
Fuck you, Conrad.
Whoa, stop! There's somebody over there.
What? Where?
Hai noroc, Iisus.
Shit!
Everybody get down!
Wait, was this all a trap?
Keep your heads down. Guy could have a rifle.
Whoever you are out there, we don't want any trouble, okay? What the hell? He's gone.
Dispărut.
Everyone stay here and keep behind cover. I'm gonna see what I can find out.
Be careful.
Sigur nu o să iasă cineva din tupiș aici, așa-i? De nici n-are cum să fie cineva aici în tupiș. Băi! Da, ma... 2000 rating pic. Exact. Alo? Nenea! 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 Hai, bă, dă-i viteză. Să vezi că de fapt e o statuie sau ceva. Și de fapt ăsta nici măcar nu e el. Nenea!
I'm gonna need you to turn around for me. Slowly. Did you hear me?
What the fuck? Are ipăroți cu aia. Dacă trăgeam în el, cred că era bad sign. Așa măcar n-am tras. Nu știu dacă o să influențez, dar n-am tras.
The hell?
Salut, bro. Să știi că sunt pașnic.
That thing's not a toy.
Na, verai și tu un pistolaj. Iisus, cine e ăsta?
I'm not gonna shoot, not unless you make me. I just want to talk.
Și eu.
You got me? Just want to have a word.
So talk.
Okay then. You, the two guys there, the kids, the women in the car, I saw you split up. I overheard that little argument just now. Your friends over there aren't gonna shoot me, right?
No.
You folks have your shit together?
They're good people. They've lost a lot.
Sure. We all have.
Recently.
Ah, fresh wounds. That makes sense. You're going to Richmond. That tells me you got something to do with what's going on down there. Question is, whose side are you on?
Look, man. I don't know what you're...
Opa! Bro, de ce zici că e asta? Pulă! Ei!
Don't move.
Respect, Clem? A scos repede și el la pistolul, se simte și el util.
Is he one of them?
Hey, man, what do you mean by them? Who's them?
You know what I'm talking about. The New Frontier.
What? No, I'm not with those guys. You
S-ar
got
putea
this
să fie, dar e
backwards.
foarte înfofolit.
Javi, this guy's full of donkey shit.
Do you want to let me talk?
What's the point? How can we trust anything you say?
You can call it a hunch, but I don't think he's with those guys.
Says you. How do we know for sure?
It's the truth.
S-a uitat în efectiv 2 locuri.
Look, I'm telling you. I'm on my way to Richmond, just like you. I lost touch with some good
Dar
people
seamănă
there
cu
when
Seth
the New
Rollins,
Frontier
bere.
took over.
E cu wrestling, cu aia, cu toți nebunii.
What did you say?
The New Frontier? They took over Richmond?
GG.
Don't tell me you didn't know that.
Damn. Ce au mers acolo?
Oh, God.
Damn.
Eleanor and Kate. They're headed right to the middle of those assholes.
At least now we
Damn.
got an excuse to go after those motherfuckers.
What are we gonna do?
Everyone, just calm down.
Calm down? Calm down? How the hell do you want us to be calm about this? They're gonna fucking kill
Not
them.
if we get to them first.
There's an old train tunnel that runs under the James River. From what I hear, it should be a straight shot into Richmond.
A train tunnel.
I could lead you guys there. But since a hobby here said you're good people and all.
Și am
maybe
zis
we
că vă
could lower
cheamă
those
Harvey.
guns
I mean, ne-a auzit,
Lord in my
explică a
ass.
stat.
We're gonna tie you up and make sure your story checks out.
That's really not necessary.
You gotta
Lower
trust,
your
bro.
guns.
Javi, man, don't.
Do you trust me or not?
Tu trust me, adică ne știm cum ar veni, dă vreo cam 2 ore așa, deci îți dai seama că trebuie să ai încredere în mine.
Thank you. Ready? This way.
Cred că minte, sau oricum e suspect,
What
e
do we call
suspect,
you?
dar we don't
Sorry,
gotta,
forgot to introduce myself.
we don't really have
It's Paul,
anything to...
but my friends call me
Paula.
Jesus.
Iisus, cu aia, străi, chiar am zis că e Iisus, că ce părea că are părul lung. Ăsta apare și în serial slash comics. Damn. Stai Jesus din serial? Yeah. Dai Clem, dai Clem, dai Clem, dai, 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 dai. Dai, bagă material,
Come
Clem.
here.
Ah, shit.
Don't worry. It's gonna be okay.
Am talpa groasă, dai. Bun. We can hide, sigur nu ne-l văzut sau auzit.
Come on.
Bun.
Shh, AJ. It's all right. I know.
Damn,
You're
damn.
hungry.
Am a song.
We're gonna wait for them to go, and then we're gonna find you some dinner. Hopefully
pleca
find
brusc, ei, bere.
us some dinner.
Deci, băi, da, what the fuck, de ce? Am aici ceva aici.
I can hear you in there. Let me in, please. God, there's so many.
O să o las înăuntru. Pare că ar fi deschis oricum.
Oh, shit.
Ah, shit.
Hey
Hai,
there.
strești.
Hello.
Cine ești?
Pretty big group of them out there,
They don't...
but it'll pass. Eventually.
Are you hurt? Any bites?
No, no bites.
Ma, ce să împingă ăștia? Mamă.
God damn it!
Bun, și de aici, pe unde ieșim?
Well, I'd say we make a pretty good team.
Am auzit ceva. Destul de aproape, ca și cum ar fi în interior.
The two of us. Well, the three of us, I mean.
Thanks, I guess.
No problem, kiddo. Anytime you need an oversized doorstop, you know who to call. He's a cute kid. You guys living here? You seem kind of young to be a mom. What are you, 13?
I knew his parents, but they're gone now. I'm all he has.
Then he's cute and lucky. He has someone looking after him. Not much of that anymore. We were out there scouting. Nothing out of the ordinary, and then... chaos in... shit, less than a minute.
Damn, asta o să fie branded. Așa o să ajungă, așa ajungă în campul ăla. Probabil că așa ajungă în campul ăla.
God, I hope they all made it. Thought we were ready for anything. But they were all around us before we saw them.
I'm sorry. About your friends.
Da. Unde e Jane? Habar n-am, întreaba, e probabil că o să apară pe undeva pe aici, cred.
For sure. My people are probably at the rendezvous by now. What's left of them at least. By the way, I'm Ava. And my group, we call ourselves the New Frontier.
Da, ok. Ai, făcea foarte sens.
He's hungry.
Făcea foarte mult sens.
Why don't you come with me? Meet my people.
Da, nu cred că o să am dare.
Blankets, bottled water. Come on.
No, thanks.
Dinner's on me. I owe you one.
Groups aren't really my thing.
No woman is an island. Have it your way. But you did me a solid here. I won't forget it next time we cross paths.
There is no next time.
We'll see. The world does work in mysterious ways.
Făcea sens, făcea doar foarte mult sens din momentul ce ai ajuns acolo, deci probabil că inevitabil cumva o să ajungem acolo. So, e, cam aia e chestia. So that's kind of the thing. Asta e cam manevra, schema. Învârteala.
These tunnels were abandoned decades ago, but I've heard
zic zile
you
și
can get
zic
through.
zile.
Here's hoping.
Javi, I need to talk to you.
About?
Nah, I know Jesus.
Look, I appreciate you keeping quiet about me and the New Frontier. But what I told you earlier, it's not the whole truth.
Ok. Și care e tot adevărul? De ce să uită în spate?
Prisoner. I was one of them.
Damn.
I should have told you sooner. I really should have.
Holy shit.
You were with those monsters?
They're not all like that. I'm not asking you to forgive me.
Damn.
But you have to understand, I had nobody. I was all alone.
E și AJ branded? AJ înseamnă că încă e cu ei.
But they were very persuasive. It was a mistake, and so was not telling you about it.
Tell me you're not still one of them.
No way.
E cam greu să dau tele. You killed her, you killed your family.
I just had to explain, because if they're really in control
You killed your
of
family
Richmond,
când e...
I
Na.
can't let them see me.
Like I know.
Just can't. So when we reach the other side of this tunnel, I'm leaving.
Y'all planning on joining us?
Damn.
You all hear that? Coming from over there. Can you see anything?
E filled to the fucking brim.
They're everywhere! Fuck! They are. Keep sharp. Watch out!
Mama. E ok că sunt broken. Easy. Easy.
Javi, help!
Bro, just shoot, ai pistol. Mamă. Holy shit, ia regele Iisus, bă, dă-te dracu. Mamă, chiar e Seth Rollins, vere. Vere, chiar e Seth Rollins, v-am zis că e Seth Rollins. Holy fucking shit. În ce pula ai tras? Mamă, vă rog, da cu toți cu aia.
Christ almighty, Conrad! Now every walker in the fucking county is gonna be heading this way.
Come on, follow me.
Ok, follow me where? Suntem în pulă.
Better find a way around it, or we're fucking dinner.
Maybe we can just go through.
Well, does it open?
Nu prea avem de ales. Dar doar sparge, că e de sticlă, bro.
I got it. Come on.
Damn, s-a deschis.
Daylight's ahead. Thank fucking God. Let's go.
Can't have those walkers following us. Javi
Unde e
and I will
Conrad?
block the door. You guys go ahead and make
Okay,
sure it's
okay.
clear.
Make it fast. We'll be right ahead of it.
E un pic cansat băiatul ăla. Cred că ne-a cam
Hold the door
auzit.
shut until I can find something to barricade it with.
Hurry!
Cucubau, dă-te, rupe.
I'm gonna have to break this thing off.
Hurry! They're almost
Păi
here!
break it. Deci l-a anunțat ca și cum rupe mobila de la ea din casă, cum ar veni. Da, vara mea, acum.
There's too many! Help!
Da, bro. Oi.
Now!
Gata,
Okay, let's
bro.
go. We gotta...
Come on, bro, not now.
Touch that gun, girl. You either, cowboy.
What the hell are you doing?
I heard you too. You think I'm stupid? Finish
Ok,
your
măcar
little
toată lumea are
story.
urechi.
Now,
We need to keep
Mama.
moving.
you need to talk.
Mamă.
Put the gun down, Conrad.
Not until she rolls up her sleeve.
What?
Și
Why?
cealaltă mânecă.
I
Damn.
fucking knew it.
You're one of them?
You're goddamn right she is.
Și I'm not.
What other bullshit did you shove down our
Lord
throats,
de gun.
huh? Unfucking believable.
She has a right to her secrets like you have a right to yours.
Secrets isn't the point. You're missing the bigger picture, son. Don't you see? We bring her to Richmond, they'll give us whatever we want. Medical help for Kate. She's our bargaining chip.
They won't bargain with you. You don't know them.
Won't know until we try.
Mamă.
She's not a bargaining chip.
Nah.
She's a friend.
Oh, I'm
That's
sure
good work,
after less
not a
than
chance.
day, you two were just soulmates.
Not a chance in hell.
Seriously? It's our best option and you know it. Hell, it's our only option.
Go to hell, Conrad. I'm not doing this. If you want to shoot me, shoot me.
How
Damn.
about I shoot your little boyfriend here instead?
What the fuck?
Conrad?
What the fuck, Conrad? Are you fucked up?
Nobody has to
Dau-te
shoot
bună,
anybody.
Pretorian.
Just tell Clem this is how it's gotta be.
Bro, ăsta chiar e gen legit, îl dai pe ăsta care legit e ultimul om pe retrage în ăsta.
Be reasonable. This helps both of us.
I'm just gonna go.
Don't take another step.
I'm sorry, Clem.
O să-i dăm backstep lui Conrad, e doar așa de moment.
You said
I know what I said. It's not worth Gabe's life.
Nu e ca și cum o să fac ceva asta până la final. Nu, n-ar fi tras. Adică ar fi tras. Poate dacă așteptăm până la final intra, dar nu cred că intra. Nu intra, că zice că nici nu a venit ăla înapoi. Nici n-a venit Jesus, nu intra nici pula.
A fucking coward! Javi, how? How could you?
Did forget.
I could just kill him, Gabriel. You have to understand
Oh,
that.
I understand it just fine.
You're a
Think
fucking
whatever.
loser, Gabe.
We're going. If you really want Clem to live, do this my way.
I couldn't kill him, two people already died already. E chill, bro, e chill. Gen, e doar așa pe moment. Clem knows că e doar ca să ținem putat să nu împuși pe nimeni. Și oamenii oricum mureau, by the way, oamenii ăia mureau.
Why the hell has he got a gun on Clementine?
You want to tell him or should I?
Conrad overreacting.
Out with it. Why is there a weapon in
So
that
she
girl's back?
won't run away.
So she won't run away.
And why would she try to run?
You want to know why? Because she's one of them. That's why. She's New Frontier. Has been all along. They're gonna be real happy to see her again. I'd put money on it.
He's not wrong. This could be useful.
But right now, we need to find Kate and Eleanor.
You're right. Let's move out.
Nu cred că ar fi mers overreacting. Nu cred că era good enough overreacting, sincer. M-am gândit la că she's overreacting, dar gen, dar n-am crezut că o să zică exact care e faza. Nu cred că ar fi ajutat.
Why is it so quiet?
Nu cred că ar fi
New
ajutat.
Frontier marching in the streets and shit. Practicing on walkers or whatever the fuck they do.
Don't get too cocky. They could be watching.
Roger that.
Trust me, they're out there.
Loki, parcă mi-aduc aminte de niște chestii de aici, de iară cred că confund cu altceva, dar nu știu cu ce mi-aduc aminte. Mi-aduc aminte de o scenă parcă cu ceva hall și cu mai ceva cu doi sniperi sau mai să fie din The Last of Us. Cred că erau niște sniper pe hall-ul ăla, nu hall, era un Doom efectiv.
That's their car!
Hey, keep it down.
Bine, asta sigur, nu știu să ne țin minte chestia aia. A fost un serial, un ceva. I don't fucking know.
Kate? Kate, can you hear me?
E dead? E legată?
Kate, talk to me. Say something.
Bro, die already, just fucking die, man. Kate, can you just
Could
fucking
really
die?
use something to take the edge off right about now.
Very funny, you scared me. Very funny.
Very funny.
I've
She
been
meant
saving
cock.
it for a while.
He's literally in the streets. Da, e practic, da, e full circle. Nu poți să scoți strada din femeie. E încă tot, dacă a fost once in the street, e always in the
Come
street.
here.
Lăsați. Încă să
Where's
deschide între
Eleanor?
mine.
She went ahead to get help. She hasn't come back.
Damn it. They must have got her.
Jesus, how far is it to their compound?
Not too much farther now. A couple blocks at most.
Gabe, help me lift her up.
At least then Clem will get us in.
I'm thinking it's a good thing we have Clementine. Because it's time we walk up to their front door and say hello.
That mean we're doing this my way?
It might. But so we're clear, you follow my lead until our people are safe. Understood?
Fine.
Here we go.
Damn.
There it is. New Richmond.
This is a mistake.
Just shut up and keep walking.
We're here, Kate.
Not gonna lie,
I'm
cred
gonna
că
get you
Conrad Lee
inside,
is the good
okay?
choice, deși a fost retardat.
If they can save me,
Păi, I mean, probabil
how
good
about
choice
you
să
and
ții
me
cât de
finally
mulți
take
oameni
that
vrei în
trip
viață,
to
nu?
Norway?
Cam aia e
The
basically the good
Northern
choice.
Lights. Remember? Sky lit up all green and purple and white snow all around us.
First, we get inside and get you to a doctor, okay?
Jesus, there's a solid possibility this isn't gonna go our way. If you want to
Da,
stay
era
behind,
doar rău.
I wouldn't blame you.
Hey, this is where I was going in the first place.
Ai noroc?
Hey!
Bro, ce plan e ăsta? Foarte prost.
You
Salut!
again? You must have some kind of death wish.
She needs medical help.
And you have one of our people.
Uh-huh. What's your point?
Sorry about this, Clem.
Clementine!
Dar nu m-a
How
văzut
long's
la...
it been?
A, de-aia
Not
se
long
ascundea
enough.
acolo.
Cute. She's got you mixed up in all this? Who is she to you? Doesn't look like she's here by choice, so... by force?
She's just a hostage. Nothing more.
All right. You have my
Dacă
attention,
îi zic,
but I'd
dacă
be
îi zic
lying
că e
if I said I
friend,
was convinced.
nu prea putea, nu cred că era mai bine dacă îi ziceam că era friend.
Go get the boss. He's gonna want to see this. Now, all of you, lower your weapons.
Not a chance!
Might be a good idea to play along here, at least for now.
You put him down, I'll see that as an expression of good faith. Nice and easy.
Everybody, put him down.
Guess you were serious about this after all.
Aia sunt că sus, ori și morții ăștia, mamă, la retandale cu the dogs out, holy shit.
What the
Yes.
hell's going on out here?
They said they weren't here to hurt anybody, so I
Cine
was
ăsta?
trying to see if they...
Oh my god.
Who the fuck is this guy? What? Nah. Nah. How is bro alive? How do you deal with David and Kate argument? You in 35.9 așa Flair stayed out of it. Nu-i treaba mea cu aia. How do you handle the new frontier at the gates? You in 0.8% of players try to negotiate. 58.6% open fire. 40.6 players surrendered. Did you trust Jesus? Majoritatea da. How do you deal with Clementine's threat? No way că majoritatea l-au împușcat. No way că 89.4 l-au tras în el. That's wild. How far did you go to get into Richmond? Capitulated to max demands. Damn. Damn. Puteam să fac să nu moară femeia lui Conrad dacă, cum îi zice, deci le dădeau siege oricum sau zombie sau whatever the fuck, oricum restul de caractere nu interesează. Ce chiar cred să tragă dacă dădeai surrender? Ok. Question is, puteam să o salvez pe Miranda, ceva. Aia, cu M. Nu? Aia intriga sezonului? Mariana. Ok, tăp acolo. Ah, ok, deci nu puteam. Deci până acum am zis că am jucat perfect cu aia. Ce vorbiți aici? Man, îți legit 5 steps ahead. Sunt Dumnezeu. Dar nu înțeleg de ce n-ai fi împușcat pe Conrad. Efectiv, probabil că ar fi dat turn tot grupul pe tine. Și how do even... Deși e prost rău jocul ăsta, e legit, e prost rău, gen, e foarte prost. E gen, toată lumea are încredere blind, pe nimeni nu interesează, e gen, e așa, e, I don't fucking know. E cam absurd. Se știu de 2 zile, dar ne știm de 2 zile, toată lumea are încredere. Îi pare că toată lumea e fucking emotionless. There is no fucking emotion, dar gen nimic, vere, nimic. Gen toată lumea are încredere că e ok, că e safe, că așa s-a întâmplat. I don't fucking know. Adică gen, simt că jocul ăsta în primul rând a fost conceput pentru oameni care nu s-au jucat celelalte. Adică eu simt că am mega avantaj să am încredere în Clem